In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin a chat on WhatsApp Web. Pinning a chat is a simple way to keep your most important conversations at the top of your list, so you don't miss updates or waste time scrolling. We'll walk through the process from opening WhatsApp Web to pinning the chat, and I'll share a few quick tips along the way to make it smooth and secure. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar or your favorite search engine, type WhatsApp Web. Click the official result. You'll know you're in the right place if you see a clean login page with a large QR code. If the page looks unfamiliar or asks for anything unusual, close it and try again. As a handy tip, consider bookmarking the page so you can get back to it quickly next time. Now it's time to link your account by scanning the QR code. On your phone, open WhatsApp and use the option that lets you link a device to scan the code on your computer screen. If the camera doesn't focus, move your phone slightly closer or farther and make sure there's good lighting. If the QR code times out, refresh the page to generate a new one. You'll know it worked when your chats appear on the left side of the screen. For privacy, only link devices you trust, and remember to log out when using a shared computer. With your chats visible on the left, find the conversation you want to keep at the top. If you have a long list, use the search bar above the chat list to quickly locate the person or group. Hover your mouse over that chat. As you hover, subtle icons will appear, confirming you're targeting the right conversation. Look to the right side of the chat preview for a small downward arrow or a menu icon. Click it to open a short menu, then select Pin Chat. You'll see a pin indicator appear, and that conversation jumps to the top of your list. From now on, it stays anchored there, even when new messages arrive in other chats. If you ever change your mind, repeat the same click on the menu and choose Unpin Chat to return it to its normal position. You can keep several chats pinned, and your pinned choices stay in sync with your phone, so everything feels consistent across devices. That's all it takes. Open WhatsApp Web, link by scanning the QR code, hover over your chat, and choose Pin Chat. Simple, fast, and super effective for staying organized. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more focused chat list.